guys, so in this video I'm going to do a continuation of the stock I want to have a look at for this week. We're talking about Apple. It's part of the FANG sector, and so there was a slight market downturn today of about 2.3%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Apple took a bigger hit. It took near about a 5% hit. Where the screen is, I know it's out of focus, but I'm going to put some stats there. Essentially, what I'm really looking at is Apple took a downturn for two major reasons. One, and a more obvious reason, is that their supplier, Lumentum, who basically supplies their video recognition or for their Face ID recognition, that software provider, said they're getting lower sales or they're getting lower growth, and hence when they released their numbers, it was implied that Apple is literally moving lower number of Apple products. The reason it's become implied now instead of really understood hard facts from Apple is because they have stopped producing their sales numbers for their iPhones and other products, which they used to do in the past. And the reason could be that because they're reaching sort of a market saturation, and they do believe that it's getting difficult. They're also pushing the price segment way too high for most people. I mean, you're talking about $1,500 for the highest price iPhone in US dollars, and that's kind of really pushing the limits for a lot of people. So yeah, Apple is getting unaffordable, and they are also, everybody seems to have an iPhone, and the incremental changes that they're making is not enough for someone to make a shift from the iPhone 10 to the 10s or 10s Max, except for the Super Retina display, or the screen size. It's not really too much to make a change, and people are happy even with the LCDs with the iPhone 8 or the 10R. That's a great value product right now. So that's the thing. And for Apple, really, I mean, it's always been a great stock because it gives dividends out. I'm just going to read out some of the numbers. That we have 1.5% dividend yield, and of course their market cap has dropped from $1 trillion to $921 billion right now. The other trillion-dollar company, Amazon, I'll make a video on that as well. That has also dropped, but Amazon has different reasons for its drop. And Apple, though it has dropped now, it still seems to have a strong upside down the road. People are predicting 320 in the next 6 to 8 months, or maybe even higher, right? So they are making a concerted effort by bringing their new MacBook Air and other products. If they refresh the Mac Mini, hopefully they refresh the Mac Pro, and probably stay on a similar price point, then it is possible that Apple can recover their numbers. So that's it for now, and Apple is definitely a stock I would consider it a buy for now. Definitely don't sell Apple. It's a great price point to buy. As I'm looking right now, it's 194, and after hours it dropped further another 0.7% to 192. So tomorrow morning would be an interesting day for trading. October has been an overall really bad month for the stock market, especially the tech stocks, especially the FANG. That is Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google have really seen quite a dip, and they've been really volatile. But it might be a good time to invest in Apple. They're down from their high of about 225, I believe. Yeah, 53, it is 233 is where they went to, and that might be late September or early October. So yeah, it is definitely a buy. It's down about 10 to 12% from there, so it's worth having a look. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. Drop a comment below on what you guys believe is the actual where the market's actually going, and yeah, we'll see if it's a bigger downturn or if it's an upside. Cheers.